Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share my experience on getting on the business class flight and also show you a room tour in Bangkok.
So we are on vacation after 3 years. 3 years. 3 years of.
Welcome, pleasure to have you back. And let's cross the right as well. Welcome.
So we passed through some first class seats which have some doors, but for business class they do not have door, but they do have a lot of leg space. So the TV screens are mounted on the wall, and this is where the business class is. So there are many things on the seating area, and I did look around, and wow, look at that leg space. So on each seat we can find few items. We have blanket and we also have headphones, and these headphones could also cancel out the outside noise. They also provide a pillow which we can put it at the back or use it if you want to sleep. They also provide a welcome drink while waiting for the other passengers to get on the flight. They had 3 options: orange juice, apple juice or champagne, so I decided to get the orange juice. They also have red roses as decoration on each side of the surface. There is also a socket and USB port if you want to charge anything. So I already took out my blanket and got ready for the flight. So we can also use the small tray to put the drink, or we can put on the left hand side because there's another drink holder.
Did you order your meal?
So after we had settled down, the air hostess came to us and gave us this menu, which was also at the front of our chair. So there are some options for the main course that we can choose from this menu. There are some buttons on the chair which you can use in case you want to sleep, then you can make your chair straight like a bed. There is a bell on the side you can press to ask for the air hostess if you need something. So the TV is in front, and to control the TV we have this small controller which we can detach and put it on the lap, and then you can choose what you want to watch. So for me, of course, I was checking the Bollywood movies, and I did find Bunty or Bubbly 2, which I hadn't watched. So I continued selecting my movie after the announcement, and after I played the movie, actually there's a lot of advertisements first, and then the movie will be played. So after taking off, they offered another drink and also some nuts, and these nuts were warmed. So now, since we were already flying, I decided to try my chair and use the button. So the leg part does come up slowly and we have to keep pressing the button. And if you want to sleep, the head part will also go to the back, and you can either put your pillow or just sleep like this. As our flight was quite short, so I just decided to watch the movie and just enjoy my comfy chair. Also, there is a light on each seat, so you can use it as a reading light, or if you want to find something near your chair, then you can also use it. So it was time for food, and their hostess helped to prepare and set up the table. I chose pasta, and this is the set I got. So they do have starters, main course, and also dessert included with water, and also you can get some juice. So they also give you some salt and pepper if you want to use them, and all the utensils are wrapped very nicely in a napkin. After that, I continued watching my movie, and the flight was so awesome that it seemed so short. So we had around 8 hours of layover, so we had to book a hotel in Bangkok near the airport so that we could get some rest. It was very late at night, so there were not many people around, and also they had one staff to help with the check-in. The hotel room was quite nice, but we were just here for a few hours, so we could take a quick nap and go back to the airport to catch our flight to Phuket. So they had a coffee maker, water boiler, 2 complimentary water bottles, and also some tea if you wanted to drink. The fridge was empty. In the closet, there was a robe and the safety box, and also they had 2 pairs of slippers. So all the toiletries were provided in this hotel with clean towels and also a hair dryer. So this is the slipper from the hotel. It has the hotel's name on it. And there was a table with an alarm clock and also a telephone and a remote control for the TV. There were a few tables and chairs if you wanted to sit down and do some work or take a rest on the chair. There were a few mirrors on the wall, and I think it was part of their decoration. So I was just checking them out. There was a painting on one side of the bed, and I think it was a very nice painting. They also provided a torch in the room. When we left this hotel, it was still very dark, so that's all I have for this hotel. Thank you for watching.